In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cookies in AdsPower. If you want to manually remove cookies from a specific profile, this method is done directly inside that profile's settings. It's especially useful when you want to view the existing cookie data first, make changes to it, or clear the cookie string completely from the profile's stored configuration. To begin, open AdsPower and go to the Profiles dashboard. This is where you'll see the list of available profiles in your account. Take a moment to locate the profile you want to work on, because the changes you make will apply only to that selected profile. Once you've found it, go to the far right side of that profiles row and click Edit. In some layouts, you may need to click the three-dot menu first, and then choose Edit from the drop-down. Either option takes you to the same profile settings window. When the settings window opens, stay on the General Settings tab. From there, scroll down until you see the large cookie text input field. This is where the profile's cookie data is stored. If you want to fully delete the cookies, click inside that box, select all of the existing text, and then press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard to clear it out completely. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the field is now empty, so you don't accidentally leave part of the cookie string behind. A fully blank cookie field means the stored cookies for that profile have been removed. After that, click OK in the bottom right corner of the window to save your changes. That's it. The profile will now be updated with the cookie field cleared. If you're doing this for troubleshooting or a fresh session, make sure you're editing the correct profile before saving, since this change affects that profile's stored cookie data directly.